Hello, love. Welcome to my channel. My name is Shadi Amiri, and I'm a life transformation coach who has managed to transform my own life from lower than rock bottom to my dream life in less than 1 year. And this channel is all about helping you to use my methods, my tricks to achieve your dream life in less than a year while you're having fun. So if that's what you want to do, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that subscribe button now so that you could see all my videos, future videos, and past videos, which are all about helping you achieve your dream life. Let's get to today's conversation. Today, we're going to talk about 11 harsh truths which you need to accept and understand about yourself and your life so that you could become that manifestation magnet of your life, so that you could start feeling happy every second of every minute of your life within your heart, despite whatever that happens in your life. The first one, and one of the most important ones, is that your life experiences are not as important as you think for other people. Oftentimes, we try to start talking about our hard and difficult moments in life so that we could make people feel for us. We go deep into whatever that happens. Sometimes we even over exaggerate the experience to make people feel bad for us. And that is when you have to remember people do not care about your life experiences. Doesn't matter, whatever experiences you had, there are two things you can do with it. The first one is that learn your life lesson from whatever that happened. For example, when I lost my brother, I learned a lot of life lessons. And then it's your responsibility to announce it out loud to the universe that you have learned your life lesson. This means you're connecting to the universe in a deeper level, and you're letting the universe know that you're ready to move on to the next level of your life. You're now ready to live happier. And the second thing you could do using those life experiences is to share your life lessons with people. Instead of sharing the hard moments, you do share a little bit of what happened, just briefly. You don't go in detail, and then you share with them how your life lesson helped you evolve. And then you're going to start sharing your story in a way that will help people grab your life lessons as if it's their own, and they can use it for their own life. The second point I have for you here is that not everyone is going to like you. And I want you to stop hurting yourself because some people hate you, because some people don't like you or don't care about you. This is very normal. Even the most loved human in the world, in your eyes, has undercover haters. So if you have haters, it doesn't matter. The best way you could live your life is to try to make a happy love circle in your life. Keep the closest people to you, the people that you know they purely and truly love you. And you better ignore the fact that some people might not like you. The third point I want to share with you here is that no one in this world is defined by what they have. You are not defined by what you have or don't have. First of all, try to stop thinking that if you have more money, people will love you more. Because those people who love you for your money, they better not love you at all. And stop loving people because of their money. If you want to have a pure love circle, if you want to have people who truly are true lovers, you have to get to know people as if they have nothing in their lives. They don't even have their clothes on. They don't have anything. Just look at their soul, look at their being and their intention in life, and then choose your friends based on that. Money is very important to bring us comfort. Yes, it's good to make money, but it doesn't define us. The fourth one is that you always have a choice. You could always decide who you want to be in a relationship with, what friend you want to have in your life. You could always end a relationship, or you could always start a relationship. You always have a choice on how to treat yourself and what boundaries to make for yourself so that people can treat you the same way that you want to be treated. People can respect you the way that you deserve to be respected. If you're overkind, if you want to do everything for everyone without wanting anything from them, then what happens is that you're going to become their step stool. They're going to step on you to go higher and higher and achieve their dreams without even considering you down there. So you want to set your boundaries, and you want to remember that you always have a choice. If someone is not treating you well, just let them go. Let them out of your life. The fifth one, your thoughts control your feelings, and your feelings designs your future life. So as you might have heard many times before, the level of your success, the level of your manifestation power, the level of your joy and happiness within your heart has everything to do with your thoughts and your feelings. And the only way you could reconstruct your thoughts is through your words. That is the only way you could do it. So you want to remember to use words that can rebuild the new belief system in your mind. And do not give up until you achieve it. Rebuilding your mind through your thoughts and words and all the good things that you always have to think about has to be a lifestyle for you. It never ends. It should always be there for you and with you. It's going to take a while for you to shape your mind to the new best version of yourself that you want to become. There are so many ways for us to reshape our minds fast and easy. So many ways. There are so many powerful methods like spiritual methods, physical, scientifically proven methods. And I have actually shared all of them in my online course, DIY Your Happy Life online course. You could find the link in the description below. It has all the secrets that I use in my life, which has changed my mind completely. I have turned and transformed from the old version of Shadi to this new version of Shadi very quickly, and then everything has changed for me. If you want to learn those, check out DIY Your Happy Life online course in the description. Now let's get to the sixth one. Most people in this world do not want you to be better than them. So instead of letting other people's words and thoughts to affect you and your decision and your path towards success, instead of that, try to ignore them. How do you ignore them? Whenever you hear someone is talking about how you're doing it wrong, how your success path is not going to work, you're going to remind yourself that most people do not want you to be higher than them or more successful than them. So all you need to remind yourself is that you are doing what you think is going to take you to your success level. And you know what's best for you. You don't want to harm yourself. As long as you're not doing something harmful and you know it, please and please do not let their thoughts and judgments affect your decision, affect your path through success. And do not let their negative energies come around you. If you want to learn how to protect your negative energies, again, there are so many ways that you could protect negative energies to come near you. You could protect yourself from letting them affect you. You could actually avoid them and not let them come near you. Even if you're living in the same household with them, you could learn those ways in DIY Your Happy Life online course. Again, description has all the details about it. DIY Your Happy Life is life-changing. It has been published all over the world because it has everything that a human needs to live happier. Okay, another ugly truth, I would say, or harsh truth, that is that right moment you're searching for, you're waiting for, is this moment. When you're waiting for the right moment to start that business, for the right moment to have kids, for the right moment to find your dream partner, for the right moment to start changing and shifting your energies to connect to the universe, to manifest your dream life, that right moment is now. It's never but now. Eighth truth is that you are not comparable to anyone out there. So some people believe that their situation could be better, and some people don't understand that their situation could also be worse. There are people out there who are dreaming to have your life right now. So all you need to do is to be compassionate towards other people out there. So people who you think are dreaming to have your lifestyle. Be compassionate towards them. Try to help them as much as you can, emotionally, whatever that you could do for them. And stop comparing yourself to other people, especially through social media. If you enjoy your current moment, enjoy now. Whatever you have, enjoy it, because that's all you have. This moment is all you have. The ninth one is that fear will get all your goals and dreams away from you. Naturally, when you start thinking about doing something new or becoming a new version of yourself, our body, our mind starts rejecting it. It starts getting that fear of experiencing something new. But you don't want to let fear affect you. You don't want to let fear stop you from getting where you want to get at. So there are so many things you could do to overcome fear. Again, you could learn them in my online course, DIY Your Happy Life online course. But one of the most important ones that you could do in your life is to do the things you are afraid of. Yes, there are so many spiritual things that you could do that can help you achieve that level. But if I want to put it to you simple, do what you are afraid of doing. You see me recording this video now. I used to be so scared of this about 2 years ago, but I did it. I did it. If you go back on my YouTube channel and if you see my first videos, oh my God, I looked awful. And I left them there on my channel. I didn't delete them because I want people to see the difference. I want them to know that no one is perfect. First, when they start doing something, no one is perfect. We all start with that fear. And if you really want to reduce your fear amount, just admit to it. If you're talking in a public and you're scared of it, tell them, I'm scared to talk in public and I'm shaking and my heart is pounding out of my chest, but I'm doing it. People are going to love you and feel proud of you. The 10th truth, harsh truth, is that nothing is forever. Whatever you're feeling right now in your life is going to pass, good or bad. It doesn't matter. Nothing is going to last forever. So whenever you get deep into something really negative, start reminding yourself this is not going to last forever. This is going to end. Make this your mantra and keep reminding this to yourself every single day of your life. Nothing will last forever. The 11th truth and the biggest door gate towards becoming successful, becoming happy, becoming a manifestation magnet is that God will not give more to someone who does not care about what they already have. If you're not grateful for what you have currently, God is not going to give more of it to you. So start feeling grateful. Start counting your blessings instead of wanting more. Yeah, it's good to want more. It's good to have goals. It's good to go after your dreams and goals. But if you go from the place of love and gratitude, that's when you're going to achieve your goals. But if you go from the place of hate and resentment and being greedy and hating your current situation, you're not going to get there. Because if you focus on the things that you don't want to have, you know what you're going to get? All the things that you don't want to have. So focus on the things that you do have and be grateful for them. If you did like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press that like button and the bell button so that you could get notified for the future videos. I hope you liked this video. If you do want to check out the Treasure Portable online course, DIY Your Happy Life online course, go ahead and check it out in the description. It has changed many lives and it has been published in many publications because it's changed lives and it's super powerful. If you want to check it out, go ahead and check it out in the description below. I love you. I'm rooting for you and I will see you on the next week videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Love you. Goodbye.